Chinese enterprises carrying out projects under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor have taken action to provide relief to people suffering from floods in Pakistan. As the city of Sukkur in the southern province of Sindh has been severely flooded, China State Construction Engineering Corporation, constructor of the Sukkur Multan motorway, donated rice, grain, oil and other urgently needed supplies to 800 affected locals. The 392-kilometer-long project is part of Pakistan's north-south traffic artery. The company also organized medical teams to go to villages for free medical treatment and free medicine delivery.
We are very thankful to CSCEC. They come to our village, clean our village, and get out water from our houses.
The Suki Kanari hydropower project in Pakistan's northwestern Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province is one of the priority projects under CPEC. China Guizhou Ba Group Corporation Limited, constructor of the project, quickly launched an emergency assistance mechanism with the local government to repair damaged roads and bridges, and restore water and power supply systems. In flooded Dausa town, CGGC purchased 400 food packages for local families.
We are grateful to CGGC and other Chinese companies for establishing and building our country and especially for helping us in this difficult times.